Hi everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Gautam from MGWell Day Trader. Thank you for clicking on this video. So we have added 7 stocks in our watch list and a Nifty chart as we have mentioned in our shorts video earlier today. So before getting into the video, one of our viewers asked the question in the comment section. So do we able to trade with volume and the pattern alone? Is it be a profitable? So the viewers asked this question. So in trading, profit is a secondary thing. So there is a profit and as well as loss in our trade. So we should be focus on reducing our losses first. So for that we can trade with. So for that we can trade with any kind of strategy or indicator. So we should follow this what we say. We should follow the strategy that we are tend to do. So and we should have a lot of experience and what we can say learning before getting into the real trade. Okay, so to answer their questions, the pattern only won't give us the profit or won't tells us the story what is the market is doing. By inserting the volume profile, it gives the view of the market. So in this there are two volumes in the market. One is the underlying volume. So this volume gives the volume at the specified time interval, and the profile. So I am drawing the profile. This is a Nifty chart, and this volume profile gives the volume at the specific price. So you can see the specific price range. So this is the specific price, this is the POC level. So the volume profile gives the specific price volume at the specific price range. Okay, so and we should we should combine this volume profile and the chart pattern in the sense we have to study all the price action theories. Okay, with a single chart pattern alone we should not consider the trade and we should not confirm the trade. So for the confirmation in the volume profile, you could use the chart pattern like a doji or a pin bar at your levels only. Okay, so it may consider as a reversal points also. Okay, so thank you for your valuable comment. So let's get into the stocks one by one. So this is the Nifty chart. So the Nifty today also opened gap down and the market retraced back to the value area and the POC. So you can see here and it has been trading inside the day before yesterday's high and low. So we have to consider this level also. So this is the POC. So you can see the market came inside this level and it is rallying upwards only. So whenever the market comes to this POC range around 16,650 630, so we will be having a trade here until we should wait for the trade. So we should not take trade in the emotions. Okay, so before getting into the stock, we have updated Tata Steel in the early morning in the morning session. So I am drawing the profile for the Tata Steel. So you can see market open inside the value area and broke all the value area high, low, POC in the initial 15 minutes candle itself. So we thought the market is rallying up and it would be a great thing to take a short trade here at this level. So you can see the market is trading gap down, sideways, gap down and gap up, and it is broke all the levels. So if the market comes to this level, we thought we could take a short trade around 1183, 84. But you can see here the chart pattern and your experience come into the live. So here the market broke all the levels and made a consolidation near the POC and the value area high, and it went again upwards only. So we should not take any trade in this place. We should wait for the confirmation and we should wait for the strong reversal and the rejection at this price. We should not take trade in this stock in this level. We thought the market might get rejected from this level, but it didn't happen. Everything won't happen in the market because lot of emotions has been playing in this market. Okay, So the first stock is Astral. So I'm drawing profile for yesterday's range. You can see the market open just below the value area high, and this is the POC range. I'm going to mark the POC and the nearby volume cluster. So you can see the market rejected. So these kinds of rejections should happen at your levels. So the market will reject at your levels. So you should wait for these kinds of rejection, and we should maintain the stop loss. Always maintain the stop loss when you are taking the trade, and you should be pre-planned about your trade. If the market is going to open here, you should mark every possibilities, like if the market comes to this place, what I am going to do, what is my stop loss, and if I have taken the long trade or a short trade. There is only two ways to take a trade. Either you have to go for a long trade or a short trade. So what I am going to do, and what will be my stop loss and exit price. Okay, so we take a long trade here around 1880. So we book a profit in this volume cluster. Okay, so the next stock is Dixon. Drawing profile for the yesterday's range. So you can see the market open and it didn't retrace back to the POC. So there is no trade in this stock. The next stock is DLF. So this is the yesterday's volume profile. So P-type profile. Market opened below the value area low and got retraced back to the POC, and market is trading inside the value area high and low, and it is in the consolidation range. If the market opens gap up again tomorrow, so we will be having a good support range in this POC range. Okay, we didn't take any trade in the DLF stock. So the next stock is Mindtree. So you can see this is the POC, and the market open near the POC, and you can see the volume cluster which is just below the value area low, and market got rejected at this level. We took a trade around 3700 with this stock, and we booked a profit at POC as well. So if you are seeing these kinds of rally, you can trial your stop loss to book a larger profits. So this is also a good profit around 1 to 2% in the stock price. So Tata Steel we have seen. The next stock is VBL. So I'm going to draw the profile. This profile will looks like P, and the market opened below the value area low, and it made a rejection at the volume cluster just below the value area low. You can see here. So I'm just hiding the chart. You can see the volume cluster just below the value area low. So market in the initial 15 minutes made a rejection at this point. If you are watching the market closely, you could have taken the trade, but there is no confirmation in this trade. We didn't take any trade here, and the market made a consolidation inside the value area, and it broke the level. Again, it taken me a support in this level, so we can consider it the market will go up from this level. Okay, so we have to wait and see. So the next stock is Voltas. So I'm going to draw the profile. So this is the POC level, and here we will be having a volume cluster below the value area low. So I'm going to hide the chart, and this is the volume cluster. So you can see the market open and made a rejection at the volume cluster below the value area low. So we can take a trade and book the profit at the POC, or you can book the profit at the yesterday's high range as well. Okay, so you can see the market made a consolidation at the yesterday's high range. Okay, so another small story about the experience, and one of the main concept I'm going to say. So we all know Sir Isaac Newton, who won the Nobel Prize, who gave us many theories about the physics and around the heavenly bodies which is surrounded by us, and he also invested in the stock in his period around 1720. So he made a reasonable profit or a decent profit in the stock which he has been invested, and he sold all his stocks and went out of the trade. But again the market rally up, and it made almost 200-300% from what he has taken the profit. So, and his friends also invested in the stocks. So this happens to everybody. So here is the concept called FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. So he was very emotional and he took a trade at the high price. So on the next session, in the consecutive sessions, the market fall down and they found out the company was not legitimate company. Okay, so in this story, what we are going to learn is we should always um, control our emotions, and we should have a experience enough to tackle our emotions first and handle the market carefully. So this market is full of all the emotions of the people, so we should control our emotions first and handle the market very careful. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Always maintain the stop loss in your trade, and all the best for your future trades. And if you like this video, do hit the like button, and if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section as well, and you can contact us. We have given our contact number in the description box, and we have given our mail ID. You can reach out us. So thank you for watching this video, and we will be meeting in the tomorrow's video. Thank you.